Connect the L1, L2, L3 of the grid to port 10 and 9, port 8 and 7, port 6 and 5 of the Growatt smart meter through the CT meter. Notice, please make sure that the white cable is to CT plus and the black cable is to CT minus. Please make sure that when connecting the CT to the AC input line, the direction of the CT is the same as the direction of the current. Connect the port 11, port 12, port 13, port 14, port 15 of the smart meter to L1, L2, L3 N line of the load and ground cable of the switch box. Notice, it is recommended to use 16 to 22 AWG cables for wiring. Connect the port 1 of the smart meter to port 5 of MID XH communication connector. Connect the port 3 of the smart meter to port 6 of MID XH communication connector.